Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add subscript in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select your subscript text you want to make or turn into a subscript. I will make this one subscript. Select. Now select format option. Here you will find text option. Click here and here you will find this subscript option. Simply select here subscript and see this subscript already created. Also you can increase their subscript size. Now I'll make this one subscript. So I'm going to select and format text subscript and see this. I'll increase this size also. Also I will make this one subscript, format text and subscript. In this way you can make all of this text subscript as you like, or a specific text or number. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.